Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something incredibly important: safeguarding children. As parents, we have a responsibility to ensure the well-being and safety of our little ones. So let's dive right in and discuss what every parent should know about safeguarding children. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand that safeguarding children is not just about protecting them from physical harm. It's about ensuring their emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. What is safeguarding? In relation to children, safeguarding means protecting children from harm and abuse using appropriate measures. It involves protecting children from mistreatment. It involves ensuring that children are growing up in an environment with safe and effective care. It involves taking necessary steps to ensure that your child has the best positive outcome. It involves ensuring their human rights. Speaking about human rights, I want to believe that every parent knows the basic fundamental rights of their children. For those who may not know, please understand that your children have some basic fundamental rights. This includes the right to life, the right to a name and an identity, the right to an education, the right to be raised or have a relationship with their parents. Your child has the right to be safeguarded from harm, abuse, or exploitation. Your child has the right to have their privacy protected. Your child has a right to clean water and healthy food. Your child has the right to express their opinions and have these opinions listened to and acted upon when necessary. Your child has a right to the best health care. Your child has a right to live in a clean and safe environment. Your child has a right to play and enjoy art and culture in safety. Why is it important to safeguard our children? We have to safeguard our children because children are vulnerable. By this, I mean they are at a higher risk of experiencing harm or abuse. They need special care. They need support and protection because of their age. We have to safeguard our children because we have a duty of care towards them. What is duty of care? Duty of care is defined as the legal and moral responsibility of anyone who is in charge of taking care of children or young people, ensuring their safety and well-being. It involves protecting children from harm, such as abuse, such as neglect, such as exploitation. It involves ensuring their well-being. Their well-being here includes physical well-being, social well-being, emotional well-being, mental well-being, economic well-being, and even spiritual well-being. Duty of care involves taking necessary steps to ensure that children are kept safe. Now, let's break safeguarding down into 3 key areas. Physical safeguarding. This involves ensuring that your child is safe from harm, both at home and in public places. It is essential to teach your child about personal safety, such as not talking to strangers, and to always be aware of their surroundings. Emotional safeguarding is about nurturing your child's emotional well-being. It's about creating a safe and supportive environment where your child feels loved, valued, and understood. It's about teaching them to express their emotions in healthy ways and to seek help when they are struggling. Mental safeguarding is about protecting your child's mental health and ensuring that they have the tools to cope with life's challenges. It's about teaching them to have a positive self-image, to be resilient, and to seek help when they are struggling with mental health issues. Now, let's talk about some practical steps you can take to safeguard your child. First, be a role model. Children learn by example, so it's important to model the behavior you want to see in them. Communicate openly. Encourage open communication with your child. Let them know they can come to you with any problem or concern. Teach them to trust their intuition. Teach your child how to trust their instincts and trust their gut feelings. Be vigilant. As parents, stay alert and be aware of your child's environment. Educate yourself. By this I mean, keep up to date on the latest safety tips and resources. Remember, safeguarding children is a shared responsibility. It is not just about what you do as a parent, but also about what the community, what the schools and other organizations do to protect our children. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this discussion has been helpful and informative. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your loved ones. Until next time, take care and stay blessed. Bye.